God.
What's the matter, girl? You got a lawn chair stuck on your head, eh?
Jeez, Tom thought he had
You got a
problems
lawn
with
chair
chairs.
stuck on your head, eh? How did you manage to get a lawn chair stuck on your head, eh? Hey, how did you manage to get a lawn chair? You want me to help you? Hey?
Oh no.
Yeah. They do the same thing when they got a pail caught on their head.
No, I haven't even got a picture yet. No picture.
Come on, girl. Come on. It's okay, girl. It's okay, girl. It's okay, girl. Come on, girl. Come on. No, we're just gonna wait for some feed to come here. Yeah. Just come and dump in the tub here.
Hey, I got an extra one for you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to get 50 cent grains for you know that.
Yeah. She'll come in here and eat, and then I can
Yeah, I
grab
was
it.
thinking maybe that might be useful to you. I don't know.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm just gonna do my job here.
Yeah.
This is nice. I'm not getting any more.
Do you record me here?
Okay. Let me get back. Boy, oh boy. She's sure hungry. Get her head in there pretty good, eh, Arnold?
Pin this down when she comes to pull her head out.
Yeah, I know. She's super.
It just caught behind her ears. Can't put that on Facebook anyway. This happens all the time.
It's recording, Tom. You want your dumb ass on record? Go, Arnold. This wire fence is dead. Now she's mad, eh? There you go, baby girl.
You didn't get it on film.
Sorry.
Show that it's off. My camera lady. She got it off her head. She got it off her head. Both heifers are fine. Both heifers are fine now. And Tommy's got the chair.
Tommy ain't sitting on it.